Hey, Eddie, can you do deals without any money?
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? You need to know Eddie. You need to know people in this room. He just asked me, Pace, how do you stay motivated? I already have a portfolio. And I said, by helping other people, giving myself emotional income, helping you solve a problem is what motivates me. And so, like, that's what he should be doing, is helping guys like you that have never done a deal before break open, like, your mental barriers, right? The question should no longer be, hey, I have 100 grand, what should I do with it? It should be, I have no money, how do I get a deal? Find people in here that are doing fix and flips and lend them your money, and they'll turn the money over a couple times in a year. And simultaneously, you should also be looking for deals. I gotta meet everybody. Hey, good to meet you.
Love you, brother.
Thank you. Hi.
I've been in for about 8 weeks. I love Subto already.
It's the best.
I love it. I mean, I've been doing real estate for a while,
Yeah.
but I love Subto.
I come to Atlanta like 3 times a year, 4 times a year. I now own more real estate here than I do in Arizona, which is great.
Wow.
Yeah, let's take a photo. You're stronger than me. You got to be on top.
Oh, wow, this guy here.
Hi. I don't want to shake your hand. I want to hug you. Thank you for coming.
I just joined Subto.
Amazing.
So weird.
Real estate can be really hard. The only thing that ever got me through, like breaking through, was having friends. So what'll happen is you'll start and you'll be excited, and then 3 months later, you'll, like, regular life will start attacking you. And that's okay. We created a community that is like forever. So just make sure you make friends. Even if you don't make progress in real estate, make friends, because that is actually making progress. This is a multifamily deal I'm doing right down the road. 250 units.
That's nice right there. That's
Seller finance.
Mabel and Binding.
On the market. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, good to meet you. It's an honor. Yeah, picture, please.
Of course, let's do it. Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you.
I got a group of, including a baby Subto that want to meet you, right? So look, we have Courtney
Hi, Courtney.
and her whole clan.
What's up, Andrew? What's up, bro?
We have Love.
Hi, love.
How are you? It's good to meet you.
Good to meet you too. I love the cactus earrings.
Thank you.